This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, May 12th. I'm James Spann. Some lingering showers this morning, then dry air arrives this afternoon. Nice day tomorrow, but the moisture comes right back on Thursday. A lot of questions. We'll see if we can give you some answers. This morning, the trough that brought the severe weather to the southern plains in Texas for days is moving up into eastern Canada. And a surface boundary is drifting through here. That was the radar this morning at 5:09. Seems like the boundary is close to Interstate 59. We finally saw some rain developing along the front, and those showers are moving to the southeast. From Birmingham north and west, the chance of rain is pretty much over, and those showers over East Alabama will be gone later this morning. Boy, look at that. I can't recall the last time we saw that much of Texas under a flash flood watch. The severe weather is not what they like, but boy, they could use the rain out there. And up north, frost and freeze advisories from Kansas up to the Canadian border. Convective outlooks today and tonight, a marginal severe weather risk in extreme southwest Alabama and parts of the western Gulf Coast down into South Texas and a few other pockets around the nation. Tomorrow, day 2, a marginal risk for parts of West and South Texas. But things begin to get active out there later in the week. This is Friday, day 4, a risk for parts of the Great Plains. And on day 5, another busy day, it looks like, for parts of Oklahoma and Kansas and Nebraska. But no really significant severe weather threat for our state anytime soon. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Amounts of about 1 inch here. And have been, the big numbers to the west, Texas, Oklahoma, and points north. So what's it going to do around here for the next 7 days? Let's talk about it. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. New trough on the west coast. That'll bring the next batch of severe weather for the southern plains late this weekend over the weekend, and the old trough is lifting up into Canada. And again, down below that, a surface front drifts through here today. This is the high-res HRRR, the guidance a little slower in getting the rain out. This is suggesting there could be some lingering rain as far north as Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden late this morning. And then by 4 o'clock, it's all south of Interstate 20. So again, the bottom line is showers this morning ending. The sky becoming partly sunny this afternoon. The high today will be probably around 80 in most spots. Tomorrow, no doubt, the nicest day of the week, a dry air mass. Dew points go in the 40s. Going to feel good. Bright, sunny weather, low humidity. The high will be in the low 80s. But Thursday, yep, the moisture comes back. Southerly flow kicks in. And we'll mention the chance of an afternoon shower or storm in a few spots. And then Friday, we're just in this soupy, moist air mass, just like a big old wet sponge over the state. And that will be a day with a pretty good chance of rain at times and possibly some thunder. I somehow doubt we get out of the 70s. We'll be in the 70s all day. It's not going to rain all day. I know we got the big golf tournament at Shoal Creek. And the last thing that, we had 11 days without a drop, but now the rain comes back. So it just works out that way sometimes. But again, there's going to be some breaks in the rain. But no doubt if you're doing something outdoors Friday, take the rain gear. And that's pretty much going to be the story for the weekend. This is Saturday, a moist air mass going nowhere. And you can see the setup for the severe weather across the Great Plains. Again, a deep surface low east of Denver. But for us, just moist, muggy, occasional showers and storms. And really the same thing on Sunday. That deep surface low is over the Dakotas. Don't expect any severe weather, but certainly a chance of showers Sunday and possibly a thunderstorm. Highs for the weekend should be in the low to mid 80s. So the muggies are back. And then Monday of next week, it's the same thing. There's nothing to sweep out the moist air. And this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 19th. Another big trough just off the California coast, ridging here. Temperatures will likely stay above average, and there could be a few scattered, mostly afternoon showers, kind of like summer. Here's the end of the forecast. This Thursday, May 21st. Big trough in the west, ridge in the east. Same thing. Severe weather for the plains. Muggy here, chance of a few scattered showers and storms, kind of locked into a pattern. You can see next week the numbers come back. Temperatures will be cooler this week, but then next week we go back in those low 90s again as we approach the month of June and the beginning of meteorological summer. And that's the 8-14 day outlook. Same thing, ridging in the east, above average temperatures, troughing in the west with below average temperatures. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.